So now when you know what a WordPress theme is, let's go ahead and see how to install and activate one. And for that, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and then click on Appearance. Now from here, select Themes. So here you can see the currently active theme. And if you navigate to Add New, you can preview and install any theme. So my favorite WordPress theme is Responsive, which is perfect for service-oriented or product-based business. This theme features an extensive library of pre-built websites to help you in your website building journey. It's user-friendly, highly functional, fast, and responsive. Additionally, it offers market-leading website and page templates that you can customize with your content. So go to the search bar and now here search for Responsive Theme by CyberChimps. Now when you find this theme, click on Install and then click on Activate. The link is given in the description below for you to download this theme. And that's all. This is how you can easily install and activate any WordPress theme.